Welcome this video. Embracing natural design depth around tree in the area of landscape architecture and outdoor living. The tree of integrate depth around expelled tree have growing signification. Traction these profiles not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of outdoor space but also respect and preserve the natural environment. As homeowner sleep or blend their living space with natural design depth around tree have become and create centrability solved this aesthetic explored the various aspects of depth design around tree. Praxis consider the aesthetic, applied and environment benefit. Understand the concept, the concept of build depth around tree innovation, incorporating explode tree into design of a depth, then remove theme. This appear request careful plan and explore the health and sustainable of the tree while create a functionally and various appear outdoor space by integrate tree into the depth layout design can process the natural landscape, provide shape and care unique focal point within the outdoor environment. Practical considering tree health and soft. The primary consider then design depth area around tree is the health and soft of the tree. Tame salt inflow can emerge. The report said the tree growth low to long health possibility through from its be enhanced and considering or tree explored to functional of build adapt need surface tree such as tree special report and salt considering play in cabin road determination whether a tree can harmonium with adapt century main interest consider main interest adapt around tree innovation rigging movement or both the adapt century and the health of the tree. Bolt branch inspect of sign and salt and urgent support size and need of task enhance the long team vibrant of the depth and the tree incorporating much material around the base of the tree can help maintain salt and various benefit the depth and the around the boat. Design consider integrate with landscape. One of the signification of design depth around tree is a seamless integrate with the surrounding landscape tree as natural focal point often have provide and interior design can sounding of those by posting set area with walk or both in plan to complement the natural around and beauty of the tree. Enhance outdoor living space. Depth design around tree expand outdoor living space by create functionally around from relax entertainment or dining incorporating functional such as built in branch bungalow or outdoor kitchen can enhance usable while pressing the natural beauty of a terrain placement of light such as salt power fix center light can explode the usable of the depth into the every or aesthetic appear from a design provide depth around tree often only possibility from create and customize of natural textile and color various of material can complement the original customer save and hustle of tree design can incorporating natural elements such as stone, pathway, plants or water functional to enhance the overall aesthetic appear outdoor space challenge as solution tree growth and movement tree are living original the continuous to growth are dealing to their environment design depth around tree requires flexibility to accommodate change in root growing remote and can cope space out time adjustable spot size and careful plan of depth layout can help move challenge with tree movement and growing regulation considering load build and reject mean in book or build depth around tree products tree homeowner and design should functional with fields or ordering before conceding will load can provide guest and camo with while provide health and tree environment benefit shave and energetic effect tree provide natural size shave watch help to request cool cost or summer month by slow possibility depth around tree homeowner can optimize energetic effect and create comfortable outdoor living space shave provided by tree can explode the living space from depth material by heat at hard sunlight and water considering central water management the root sort of tree help include sold quests which contributing to both solve water management by incorporating melting material or rain gardening around tap. Homeowner can fork enhance water of red run out. This is your friend. Appear not support load but also promote centrability landscape. Conclusion: design depth around tree of harmonium bed of harmonize of natural and enhanced folkling depth consider with the environment